आज से हर घर में बिजली बचत का नया सफर शुरू। Freelancer includes a system box and a solar panel with a long cable DC bulb. The system box boasts 4 DC ports, 1 solar port and 1 charging port, equipped with a 12.8 voltage 6000 mAh battery featuring a smart battery management system, providing 4 to 5 hours of backup. The solar panel operates at 18 voltage and 20 watts peak, offering 4 to 5 hours of solar charging. Switch on the power button to witness 3 indications: low battery, charging and load. Connect the solar panel to the designated port. Attach LED bulbs to 3 of the 4 load ports and charge your device via the USB port. Say goodbye to lead acid batteries. Our product offers both solar and standard charging. It's portable, eco-friendly and long-lasting with no maintenance. Make the switch today.